Welcome to part 2 of the series, the part 2 of the YouTube player in Redux series. So we will start from where we left in the part 1. So this was the app which was created by the end of part 1. So we will start this part with creating the search bar. So let me import it first. Import search bar from dot components search bar. Then the search bar will be in top of video list item. So let me save it. Let me open my search bar.js. Yeah, so this is what it is currently, and we don't need to change much. Only this dot props are on search term. This thing we need to change. Now this thing will change to a Redux action creator. Means this thing will trigger a Redux action creator. So to trigger a Redux action creator, we have to import two things. Let me copy paste it from here. One is this connect, and the other one is white search action creator, this. Then after that, this dot props that on search term. Instead of this, just like what we did in app.js, we'll call that this dot props dot init event.target.value. Let it be that only. So this on input chain will get triggered when someone types something in the search bar. So let me come down, and after that it will be almost similar to what we did it in the app.js. So like this only. So let me copy this also, and let me paste it here. This is not showing me correctly. Format selection. This will be search bar. Let me delete it, and now this props dot init is a bit different for getting some value. So let take that value and name it search term, and we are not passing the hard-coded React tutorial which we were doing in the app when the app loads for the first time, but we are passing this search term. So let it get refreshed. I think, yeah, it is refreshed. Can't resolve dot action. Oh, again that classical mistake. I know it will give error from search bar, because it is not dot action, because if you see the directory, it is dot. When we are from app, we are in this directory, so we can go like dot and action, but here we have to go dot action. Because we are inside a component directory, we have to come out of it. Let me save it. Yeah, and it is working fine. So this is what came from the initial render of React tutorial. Let me change it and see, it is working fine. So our search bar is working fine. So the next thing which we need to do is display the video. So we will do this by first importing in the app.js import video detail from dot components video detail, and this video detail we will show after the search bar. Now let me open the video detail. So here again we have a functional component, so let change it to class based component. We again need the connect because this is going to be changed to a Redux file, so we have to use this connect from React Redux. And let me change it to class based component. After that, class to list extends react dot component, and then don't need this, and as in a class-based component we have to create the constructor. Constructor will be props super props this dot state. If you remember, it is quite similar to what we did in this video list item. A YT search will be there, then we will receive it in the component. We'll receive props because it is registering to the YT reducer, so it will get the global state once it gets changed, and in this component will receive prop, which we will check it whether it is same or different from the current props. So YT search state, let me put everything inside a render because that is how class based component are. Then this return, I will soon remove some things from here. It will be like this, and let us also create that component will receive props from a video list item because it will be exactly the same. So we're receiving the next prop. If this dot props or YT state is not equal to this, then only we are setting this local YT search state equal to next prop YT search state. Current state is not equal to next prop state. So let me copy this and let me paste it, and even this thing, it will be exactly similar to this YT reducer YT search state, and this is what we are getting from the reducer. So let me again copy it and paste it. This video detail will be here. Let me cross it. Now when I come to render, it is not if not of video, it will be this, it will get an empty array the first time, but next time if some value get updated like this, from here it will get some data, that action.payload data. So let me change it to this dot state dot YT search state dot length is less than equal to 0, then it will show this loading thing. If it is not, then const, let me take this video equal to this dot state dot yt search state, and this because the yt search state is an array of object, and in the video detail we want to show the first video only, whether it is search or it comes through React tutorial. So we want to show only this one. So anything else we need to change? I don't think so. This much change only is required. Let me save it. Let me see if some error is there. Seems like no error. Yeah, and it is showing correctly. So this is what is coming from app.js, the first one, the React tutorial one. Now when I will search something in the search bar, it will come from here, and it will get in the video tutorial. So and then it will show the first video. I gave Node.js and this video is coming. See, right now the click functionality is not working. So that is what we will do in the next part. Thank you for watching.